Welcome. As you can see, I have made it back to my studio and I'm no longer, well, for the moment, in my kitchen. I do still have some of my equipment up there and I think it'll stay there. But anyway, if you don't know, I am KayLee 287. I'm a visual artist in the DMV area. I work with original painting, stationery, anything art for the most part. I am currently rebranding and reassessing everything that I would like to do and to offer. And in this process, it causes me to watch a lot of videos, do a lot of research, and one of the things that I noticed is that I want to offer more stationery ideas within my gift shop. If you don't know, I have a gift shop called Dainty Space. The link is below, so check it out when you have a moment. But in doing this, getting a feel for what people like, what people want, I don't want to be pressured into doing huge orders. I'm okay with doing orders. I like to see things. I like to feel them. I like to have them. I like to check out the color. I like to know what I'm offering my customers because I want them to have the best. And what I'm finding out is that a lot of places, depending on what I'm ordering, I have to order bulk or a good amount. And all the time I don't want to do that because then I wind up having a lot of stuff on hand that I don't want. Or that maybe I may place order and I'm not completely satisfied to where I have to go with someone else. So I was looking at, a couple of videos trying to figure out how to do things myself. Maybe to cut out the middleman, but maybe not, depending on what it is or how great things are. Anyway, so I came across a Bookpress, and do I really need a Bookpress? Probably not. Am I going to use it? Yes, I am. So I decided to research how to make one without it being really expensive, and I decided to video the process. So basically what I'll do with the Bookpress is once I make my books, my journals, my notepads, whatever, I'll put it in there, press it down, and flatten them to where they're just as flat and pretty as they would be if they were coming out of a store or if they were getting shipped back to me. So what I did was I went to Lowe's, I grabbed all the materials I needed, I had my husband help, and it was a crazy process. It was really not hard. It's really simple. It's really affordable and cheap. I wound up using I wanted some really cute bamboo chopboards. I'm not a chef. My husband does the cooking. But the boards, the cutting boards. So I wanted some really cute ones. The Dollar Tree is supposed to have some for $1. However, our Dollar Tree, that joint is the pits, okay? Like, it's never nothing in there. The line is always down the aisle. It's always one person running the cash register. Okay, I don't understand. But anyway, so I went in there and it was empty. It wasn't there. So we went into Big Lots, which is another reasonably cheap store. And they have really good ones for $9 a piece. And they were exactly what I wanted. They were $9, they were thick, they were the bamboo boards, they were perfect. I just didn't want to pay $9 for it. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I just didn't want to pay $9 for it. And I was looking at my husband, he was looking at me like, babe, just get the damn boards so we can leave. And I was like, nope, let's walk down to the TJ Maxx and see if they got it. And he's like, well, my daughter's like, TJ Maxx costs more. I'm like, no, it don't. So we go down to the TJ Maxx and I find the boards. However, I only could find one actual bamboo board that didn't have like the cutout part. And so at first, I was a little heartbroken. And then I was like, well, you know what? I'm just gonna get this. One, it's larger. Two, I can mess this up if need be, and then go back and get the really cute one that I saw. So anyway, long story short, you'll see why these boards turned out perfectly, and they were only like $3.99 a piece. Okay, TJ Maxx was clutch. Okay, so follow me along while I go through this video, and I hope you guys like the end product. I actually love it, and between this week and next week, I will be trying to use it. And so I'm not sure if that will be included in my next video log or if that will be in the following one. But yeah, so eventually I'll show you guys how that turned out. I'm actually waiting for a few more materials that I ordered to actually come in that will help with the book binding and, you know, journal making process. Pray for me. So just FYI, my goal, okay, I'm gonna tell you guys, since you're subscribed and you following me, my goal is to create a planner. I am a big planner user. I ain't gonna lie, I probably ain't the most consistent person that uses a planner. I buy one or two or three every year. I use them for a great span between the beginning of the year, a great span somewhere in the middle, and then by the end, I'm back in it again, you know, looking at the things that I didn't do. So I'm never really using it consistently throughout the year, but it definitely helps me because I am a sticky note, to-do list, jot down person. I guess that's why I'm really loving my stationery journey. I'm really loving providing and producing all of these things because I use them. And so there is nothing greater than to grab my own sticky notes, see my art, and write down what I'm about to do for the day. I love it. And so that is my goal. My goal is to draft that, to put it together, to create one by hand. I don't know if I'll create all of them by hand by the time I actually get it together, but to see all of that come to life and I do it, and it's, you know, my dream, things that I want to put in there, things that I feel like other people's are missing, things I feel other people have added that, you know, have truly impacted and helped my life. I'm coming into, you know, a confusion state because I don't know if I want to do like an artist planner, a business woman entrepreneur planner. My husband says I'm biased. I only like women, but whatever. A women planner, a mom, you know, she ain't got no clothes on, y'all. A mompreneur planner, you know, because I'm a mom, but my daughter has a business. So I'm, you know, I'm doing my business, I'm doing her business. I'm doing work outside of our business. I don't know if I want to have a, you know, a mom to be planner. I have, you know, friends that are expecting to have a child. And so me as a 5-mom expert, you know, yeah, right. I feel like, you know, I have some things that I can put in there or that would help them be prepared, get prepared, or just, you know, keep their life from being super chaotic while expecting. But I look forward to doing that, and I hope you guys, I guess, enjoy it once it's complete as much as I am enjoying the process of getting everything I need to create that. But anyway, okay. I'm rambling. So let's go ahead and jump into this video, which won't be that long. Won't be that long, y'all. If we did time lapse, won't be that long. Of showing y'all how we make this book press. Okay.
So for these, this is just my test. When I get, well, depending on how it turn out, I may buy a better board later. But went to Lowe's, got all my materials, and these are gonna buy. So I just made my marks to drill on both. I will drill when I get to pop out. I got all of the goodies I need. However, my little girly drill that my husband calls it, I didn't have a drill bit. So, cut that out. We had to come to Dad's house to
Don't tell people I ain't got things
drill.
yet, baby. All right? Don't tell people I ain't got things yet. People ain't got to know that I'm building.
We don't have to have things. We
inherit
stuff.
Juice will have something smart to say. All right?
Just don't watch my YouTube. We inherit stuff from the parents. My dad has everything. Look, this little portable table I'm about to work on, and then he got like every tool known to man. Praise the Lord. Don't get in my way when I'm getting stuff.
Because if I'm doing the lift, why I got to go squeeze past you?
Blah, 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 blah.
I got to go motherfucking blah.
Blah. Such a butt.
What?
That's right. I said it. You know, look at that. Look at the cards.
I don't want to matter. I know how to use it.
I know I'm a girl. I'm like, is it this one? No, I think it's that one. think it's this one. This is like, excuse my little ashy hands, but I think it's this one.
Hold it as straight as you can.
My handyman. Yeah.
You want me to do it? You want me to do the first one and you do the other one? Action! Push down. You have to push down. Gradually.
As y'all can see, I clearly got the wrong drill bit. We had to switch it out. I don't know if it's going through.
Baby, you see wood chipping up, it's going
I know y'all saw that, right? He tried to kill me. He gonna say he ain't do it, but he tried to kill me. Y'all saw that. I was working.
No, this might be the wrong bit. Might have to use a different one. Silver one might be better. I know one's for wood.
Yeah, this one works so much better. Look at that.
Still gotta put a little elbow in it. Just put it in reverse now. Let's back it up.
Okay, now we're gonna just go ahead and speed this process up, you guys. Good stuff. So I have these to put on the butt. Okay, due to I went to spring vibes in the DMV, y'all. The camera blew down a little bit, but basically all we did was added the bolts, the screws, the wing nuts. The screws were a little rusty, so we had to add some WD-40, but that's about it. And just like that, I now have a Bookpress. Woohoo! A Bookpress. Look at it! Yay! I'm so excited! I wasn't worried about the handles because look, it makes it so easy to carry. Yeah.
Alright, y'all saw my dance break. Your girl was getting it with her non-Beyonce moves. So I hope you guys loved how the video turned out. If you loved it, like it, subscribe, share, even get down. And just let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Get down.
I just made me a Bookpress, y'all. Woo! Girlfriend gonna make her a video showing y'all how I did it.